Okay, to add a column so that the parents can see if it's completed or not completed is a little tricky, but this is what I've done in the past. You can create a column, name your column, call this test, and then down here at the primary display, you want to click complete incomplete. Now, this is really used for if students are submitting things through Blackboard. It will show up as completed when they submit it. But you can also use it to show your parents who's turned stuff in, if that's what you're looking to do. You do have to set a point value. You can set it at 0 or 1. It doesn't matter, whatever you want. The key to keeping it out of your grade book is just to go down here and where it says include this grade or this column in grade center calculations, just click no, and that will take it out of your grade center. So once you submit that, your column looks like every other column. Here it is. You can put in any number. So if you just put in 1, you'll get a check mark that shows completed. On the flip side, though, there's nothing that you can put in that shows incomplete. As far as I know, at least, it is just you're going to get the blank. So if they've completed it, you can put in that they have the check, and then if it is incomplete, it will just show up as a blank.